Hey guys, this is Lanky Trader. Today's date is May 3rd, 2025. So I'm going to run you guys through my trades this week. So yeah, so let's just start. So on Monday we had our opening range, our 15-minute opening range. We had a break below our opening range. So I entered on the 5-minute time frame and our target was a 1 to 2, but the trade came back and took me out at break even. So this week was just a crazy week. So like upper week I had like 5 winning streaks, like back-to-back winning streaks 5 times throughout the week. All my trades were wins. And we also have times where during the week I can have 5 winning streaks also. So this week was filled with break-evens, losses, break-evens, losses. So that's how this week went. You can't always win every time. So that's why we have risk management, so you can manage your risk properly. So let me just break down our break-even week to you guys. So on Monday we had our opening range. So I marked it out on our 15-minute time frame. So we broke out of our opening range on the 1 minute. On the 5 minutes we had a 5-minute break below our 15-minute opening range. So I entered the trade and we went like maybe like 1 to 1.3, 1.4, and it didn't go the whole way and took us out at break even. That was Monday's trade. Then on Tuesday's trade was promising. So Tuesday's trade was also a break even trade. So we broke out of Tuesday. This is our opening range here that I marked out already. That's the box. This is the candle, our 15-minute opening range. So we broke out of the opening range. As I normally do, I go to the 5-minute time frame, then enter off the 5-minute break of the opening range of the 15-minute opening range, and I target a 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5. So since yesterday's trade was, did not give us a 1 to 2, I said okay, let me target a 1 to 1.5, and we took me out at break even first. Then I went close to take profits, then ended up reversing. That was Tuesday's trade. Then on Wednesday was another setup. So I told you guys last week how I have a contingency plan anytime I enter a trade and it ends up breaking above, stopping me out. I also enter for the buy side. So that's what happened here. So on Wednesday I marked out our opening range, which is this very, very strong bearish candle here. That was our 15-minute range. So I marked it out, and you can see this candle broke below our 15-minute opening range. So I entered and we got stopped out. So after we got stopped out, I re-entered this trade as a buy. Stops at our low of our opening range, and I targeted a 1 to 2. And this trade actually played out, and this was the only win I had this week. Then on Thursday we had this setup. We marked out our 15-minute opening range, which is this box here. That's this candle here. And after marking it out, we broke on the 5 minutes time frame, broke our 15-minute range on the 5-minute time frame. So I entered for a 1 to 1.5 and we got stopped out. That was Wednesday's trade. So on Thursday, same thing that happened on Wednesday also happened on Friday. So on Friday, this is our opening range, which was marked out right here, and we had a break below, and I entered on the 5-minute time frame after the 5-minute break of the 15-minute range, and we got stopped out. You can see we got stopped out. So I said okay, let me re-enter so I re-entered on the opposite side, saying let me catch a 1 to 2, but it was very late. It was around maybe 9 Nigerian time, so I just broke even because I can't leave the trade running over the weekend. So as I broke even, market came and took me out at breakeven. So that was our Friday's trade. That's how this week went to breakeven throughout. Breakeven apart from Wednesday's trade that gave us a 1 to 2. The entire week was a loss, but I still closed out with profits. I think 2,000 profits. Then these people collected swap, they collected commission, sorry. Then I think it's a $1,800 trade. So I'll post the results for this week, our P&L for this week, at the end of the video, so you can just stay to the end of the video and you see the P&L for the week. On our 5k account, I closed in a loss. So 5k account was closed in a loss, I think 1% loss on our 5k account. But on our other accounts, we are up, I think 1%. We're up 1%. So that's how the week went. So let me show you sometimes I can have like 5 winning streaks back to back. So let me show you. This was the trade I reviewed last week. So let me go to the upper week. Okay, so this was Wednesday, this was Friday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, let me show you guys. This is Friday. Okay, so this is Friday 11th. So this was our first entry. That was this upper week. So this is our opening range. We marked it out. So I entered off the 5-minute break of the 50-minute range, and you can see we hit our 1 to 2 beautifully. This was Thursday. This is our opening range. Marked out our 50-minute candle. That's 2:30 Nigerian time, then 9:30 New York time. So my chart is set at New York time. That's why you're seeing 9:30. So 9:30 we'll mark it out, 2:30 Nigerian time, and we wait for a 5-minute break of the 50-minute range, and we target the 1 to 2. So this one gave us a 1 to 3. So that was on Thursday. So now this was on a Wednesday. So Wednesday, same thing. So first of all, on Wednesday I marked out the 15-minute range, which is this blue box here. This is our 2:30 candle here, Nigerian time. So I marked out our range and I waited for our 5-minute break of the 50-minute candle of the 15-minute range, and I took the trade, and immediately we hit 5 o'clock Nigerian time. We just shot up, hit our 1 to 2, closed perfect trade. Then on Tuesday, this was our Tuesday setup, also clean setup. This is our 50-minute range here, 50-minute candle, 2:30 Nigerian time. We mark it out and we wait for a break below. So I entered off the 5-minute break of this 50-minute candle, of this 50-minute range, and this one gave us a 1 to 3. And beautiful trade. Did not waste much time, just give us our setup sharp. So this was our Monday's trade. This is Monday upper week. I'm just reviewing the trade, showing you that as well as we can have 5 back-to-back losses in a week. As we can have like 5 losing streaks, like Monday to Friday loss, break even. That's the same way we can also have 5 winning streaks in a week, which is Monday to Friday. We have wins throughout the week. So that's why it's always good to follow your trading strategy, follow your risk management rules, because as much as you have losses, you also have wins. So this is Monday's trade. We marked out our 50-minute range, which is this red candle before this engulfing. So we broke with this engulfing candle, and I entered off this retest here, and had our 1 to 2 and we closed. That's how the week went. That's how that week went. So if I keep showing you, you can see that sometimes I have more winning streaks. So just to show you that because you have like 5 losses in a row in a week, that doesn't mean that your strategy is not profitable. So this is how my trades went this week. I had 4 break-even trades. I had break-even trades, losses, and just 1 winning trade, which was on Wednesday. And I'll post the P&L below at the end of this video. So guys, if you enjoy content like this, please keep watching, and if this channel hits 1k subscribers, I would post a full strategy, breaking down my strategy and my risk management strategy, how I manage my risk. I will upload all that so you guys can see. So please share, subscribe, and follow for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.